Today, we're diving into the essential art of troubleshooting your AV over IP network. Whether you're dealing with audiovisual or IT equipment, this survival guide actually has you covered. AV Network Guy here. First things first, let's talk about symptoms. When your AV network starts acting up, it can be a real headache. You might notice strange artifacts in your video, audio dropouts, devices certainly going offline, and of course that special call from your boss or whoever you report to. The key thing is to inquire about these symptoms. What's going wrong and how does it manifest? Now let's determine whether these issues are physical or logical. Physical issues could be faulty cables, loose connections, or damaged equipment. Logical issues, on the other hand, are often related to network settings, device settings, or configuration settings, or both. Every AV network is a buzzing highway of data. You've got video, audio, control, and metadata traffic fighting for bandwidth. Take a moment to inquire about the types of network traffic on your network. Understanding what's moving through your network infrastructure is key to troubleshooting effectively. Are the settings for those network traffic types optimized? Moving on to the network's infrastructure, we need to talk about VLANs, routing, and firewalls. These elements are your network's security guards and traffic directors. Do you have a VLAN set up? How's your routing configured? And what's the role of your firewall? These questions are essential to understand the network structure. In scenarios with multiple VLANs, some devices might need to communicate across these boundaries. It's like bridging different neighborhoods in a city. Is your default gateway set up? Take a moment to inquire about which devices need to communicate across VLAN and how that's being facilitated. Timing is crucial in AV networks. Network clock leaders, network time protocol, and precision time protocol are the unsung heroes ensuring everyone is in sync. Like your alarm clock making sure you wake up on time. Are you aware of your timing requirements? Do you have network clock leaders in place? And are NTP or PTP being utilized? Finally, we get into the nitty-gritty, analyzing network data. This step is like detective work, sifting through data to spot irregularities, and that means different things to different people, trust me. What tools are you using to analyze network data? Are there any anomalies or patterns that stand out? There you have it, your comprehensive guide to troubleshooting your AV over IP network. Remember, the key is to inquire, identify, and investigate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AV and IT content.